Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute your microphone on your PlayStation 5 using the controller. So if you look under the PlayStation button, there's this little button right here. We can just press this once and it'll turn orange. And if you look on the screen, when you press this, it says it mutes the microphone. So it's very easy to go ahead and just mute it by pressing this button. It'll activate and deactivate your microphone. And it's going to be toggled on or off depending when you press this. So if it's orange, that means your microphone is muted. Now there's another thing that we can do with this button. If we hold it down, this is going to mute all the audio plus your microphone at the same time. So I use this a lot when maybe I get a phone call or something like that. I'll just hold that down and it will mute the audio on the TV, and then also nobody will hear me speak. And you can see the orange light right here is flickering in and out, getting brighter and darker. So you know it's muted. Now, if you look at your screen here and you go to the quick menu, you're going to see everything is muted. So the audio is muted down here and your microphone is muted. So we have to turn off muting, and then my sound is unmuted as well. So it's very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.